Let me first introduce myself. My name is Sergey Skakun. I'm associate professor here and associate chair. I will be main host, or whatever it's called, of this ceremony. It's my great pleasure to open this event. It's always each year challenging, but as we had just our department committee meeting, we made it with no casualties. And with a lot of achievements, and this is a real opportunity to kind of socialize together, to recognize all the great work that everybody is doing in this department, starting from staff, undergraduate students, graduate students, faculty, whether it's TTK, instructional, research faculty. So, and we want that also everybody knows about these achievements. All right. So. I want to start with giving a welcome remark to Dr. Tatiana Loboda, who is the chair of our department, and we will open that ceremony officially.
Thank you, everybody, again for being here. This is exciting. This is our celebration mode when we're actually going to recognize the amazing work everybody is doing. We are such a marvelous department, I can't say that enough, that our achievements are frequently, even though they're amazing, don't receive the recognition amongst ourselves because we're so used to everybody being truly exceptional. You know, Chris has been joking for years that everybody is above average, like at the proper, you know, House on the Prairie series. All the children are above average, but if we're looking, it depends on the average, right? What's your population that you're drawing from? And I would say of the departments of geography nationally and internationally, and of the professoriate, graduate student group, and staff, and research faculty, we're definitely above average, unquestionably. So today we're going to recognize exceptional excellence. Everybody is excellent, but some people are super duper excellent. And those are the ones that we're going to really cheer for today. So thank you. Without further ado, we're going to start our ceremony.
All right, so the first set of awards and recognition, it goes to the heart and soul of our department, which is our grad students. Of course, and a lot of us, of course, experience that the grad students' journey, it's quite a long process. You basically start like in elementary school, and then you graduate like a doctor, philosophy doctor, and there are, of course, a lot of milestones. You never forget probably how you write your first paper, right? You get excited when it's accepted. You just like thinking that you solved all the problem on the world, and then you recognize that you still have to defend and write another one and another one, and then apply for grants. But ultimately, it culminates in the defense, and a lot of people get excited, your family, collaborators, etc. So we're going to recognize it. We're going to start, though, with the, of course, we have not only PhD students, we have master students. And let me see what I need to do here. Sorry, it's first time me hosting that, so I need to make sure. So first, we're going to recognize master students, geospatial intelligence. So we have first, yeah, JS, yeah. So those who completed their final project, capstone project. So if you're here, please stand. MSJIN program students. MSJS. Yes, MSJS, sorry. Anybody from this present here? No? All right, let's move on. Then MS Intelligence. Yeah, and that's MS Intelligence, J Intelligence. Anybody from this cohort? Yeah, one. Yeah, stand. Right. Okay, and then we move on to, we have two students who completed 5-year bachelor master program, and congratulations goes to Matthew Hines and Zachary Kinlock. Are you here? Zachary and Matthew. You can see their picture. Okay, so now going back to our PhD students, so we will recognize those who reach certain milestones. So this is one of the first stage of the rocket. It's comprehensive portfolio, those who defended this academic year. So those who on this screen, please stand. Come on guys, I know that you're here. The next one, those who defended their proposal, dissertation proposal. And those, so it looks like, and I don't have numbers, but it looks like we have a record amount of people who graduated. I don't think, well, I don't know if we have enough fingers. So please stand up, those, and let's... And just a reminder that we will have Geog commencement exactly 1 week from today at 12:30 at Xfinity Center. Okay, move on. Yes, so now I want to invite to the podium Dr. Kathleen Stewart, who is our graduate director, and she will present some of the awards to our outstanding accomplishment for grad students.
Hey everybody, this is so much fun. Yeah, excellence in graduate research. Congratulations to all of you for your hard work with your research. But we have some prize winners today that we want to recognize. We have 3 prizes, as you can see up here. So the first prize goes to Heijun Lee. Heijun? Gets his award for his first authored paper, an accurate 10-meter annual crop map product of maize and soybean across the United States in the Earth System Science Data Journal. Congratulations. Fabulous. And then our second prize goes to, oh, we've already got all of our names up so you can see. Okay. Jili Lee. Jili, come join us. Jili has a first authored paper, annotation-free cloud masking for planetscope images in the Arctic via cross-platform ability transfer using deep learning and foundation models. Hot topic, there we go, in remote sensing of the environment. And third prize goes to Jingjing L. Zhu? Oops. Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry. Also, okay, so back to our second prize. Jiashun Sun. For his first authored paper, Unequal Air Quality Benefits from EV Adoption in California, the World's EV Leader. And so now our third prize goes to El Zhu. I think El is not able to be here with us in person today. El is receiving this award for her paper exploring neglected places, enabling conservation crime through place network investigations in iScience. Warm congratulations to Heijun, Jiashun, Jili, and also El. So very exciting. Thanks, guys. You want to go down and get a picture? Should I go too?
Yeah. All right.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry, you have to wait.
Ready? All right, perfect.
Come on down.
Ready? One more. All right.
Perfect. Wonderful. Okay, so our students are often recognized for their excellence in various ways. They get recognition and awards for their commitment to their field, for papers and for presentations. Our students are excelling on campus as well as on regional and national stages. And so here you see a number of those recognized who have been awarded different types of awards. So would any of these recipients please stand so that we can recognize you today? Any of you? Wonderful. Congratulations to all. So, fellowships, scholarships, and grants. All of this excellence translates to opportunities and funding for our stellar students from the college all the way to national level agencies. And so here we're highlighting students who have won prestigious fellowships, scholarships, and grants. This is a really nice number of you. And so again, with the students in attendance who've been selected for these fellowships and scholarships, please stand so that we might recognize you. Okay, so now we have a number of fellowships that are department awards for summer support for our PhD students. And the first one we'll talk about is our GIS Summer Fellowship. And this goes to Shindong. Come on up, Shin. Shin's research tackles a pressing global health challenge by addressing the resurgence of Plasmodium vivax malaria along the Thai-Myanmar border with an innovative mobility-informed approach. By integrating human movement into a spatiotemporal GeoAI framework, Shin advances beyond traditional models and captures a critical driver of disease transmission that is often overlooked. Her use of a hybrid GCN-LSTM model combined with LLM-generated synthetic mobility data demonstrates methodological originality and the potential to significantly improve prediction accuracy in data-sparse regions. Congratulations, Shin. So the next award I'll be announcing is the Jingliang Geographical Sciences Fellowship, and this goes to Heolin Xiao. Heolin? Heolin will develop an innovative GeoAI pipeline that transforms complex GPS-based spatiotemporal data into meaningful insights about human behavior. Her use of geospatial machine learning, particularly non-negative matrix factorization, demonstrates a sophisticated approach to uncovering hidden lifestyle patterns without oversimplifying them into rigid categories. By linking daily mobility patterns to transportation carbon emissions, her work addresses a critical global challenge with clear real-world relevance. Congratulations, Heolin. Our next fellowship is the Human Dimensions of Global Change Fellowship, and this goes to Jiashun Sun. Jiashun's research rigorously evaluates the economic, environmental, and public health co-benefits of U.S. energy transition policies, directly aligning with the program's mission to study coupled human and natural systems. His combination of scenario modeling and empirical analysis offers a nuanced understanding of whether climate policies reduce or exacerbate inequalities, addressing a critical gap in sustainability research. With a publication already in Global Environmental Change and another study under review, he has demonstrated strong scholarly productivity and impact at an advanced stage of his PhD. Excellent. Congratulations. Okay, so congratulations to Shin, Heolin, and Jiashun. Well done on those fellowships. Now I'm very excited to present the new Jingli Yang and Dr. Peter Lee Endowed Distinguished Fellowship in Geographical Sciences, a fellowship building on the couple's long-standing support for graduate students in Geog, established through a $1 million gift from Jingli Yang and Peter Lee. The fellowship provides annual awards to early career scholars to help cover summer expenses and research-related costs, including fieldwork, data, equipment, conference travel. The inaugural Dr. Jingli Yang and Dr. Peter Lee Endowed Distinguished Fellowship for PhD students this year will go to Adebowale Adebayo. Has been researching and helping to develop and deploy soil moisture monitoring networks in Kenya, Tanzania, and Uganda, where soil moisture is a key variable for agricultural drought monitoring, crop yield forecasting, and climate, and yet there's no validation sites in Africa recognized by major satellite missions. This fellowship will help Adebowale expand his network into 3 additional countries and address research questions relating to how accurate and reliable are satellite-based soil moisture products for agricultural monitoring in sub-Saharan Africa's smallholder farming systems, and learn more about the relationship between soil moisture and vegetation response to predict agricultural drought impacts on crop productivity. So this year, under the auspices of this fellowship, we are also extending the award to postdoctoral associates. And I'm very pleased to share that we have 2 outstanding postdocs that will receive funding as part of this fellowship for the summer 2026. And our first postdoctoral awardee is Heijun Lee. Heijun will be conducting research on rapid operational in-season crop mapping across the Delmarva Peninsula through the integration of in-season field observations and remote sensing. The objective is to enhance rapid, near real-time crop monitoring for corn and soybeans by generating accurate 10-day crop maps for the study area. This analysis will benchmark the performance of the in-season mapping framework under operational conditions and provide critical insights for enhancing the resilience of crop production across the Delmarva Peninsula. And our second postdoctoral awardee is Xinwan Li. Xinwan? Yes? Xinwan will be generating continental scale dryland woody cover maps, for example, for Africa and possibly South America, using multi-source remote sensing data like NISAR, HLS, UAV, as an extension of the prototype work already done by Xinhuan for Senegal as part of her earlier doctoral research. Xinhuan's proposed study will result in continental scale, spatially explicit, dry land vegetation cover maps under various predefined physiognomic structural thresholds. With expanded spatial scale and enhanced accuracy, the maps will provide essential information that helps policymakers with strengthening sustainable land resource management, biodiversity conservation, and ecosystem resilience in the dry land ecosystems. So congratulations to Adebowale, Heijun, and Xinhuan. Okay, so now I'm going to turn things over to Tatiana again.
That was not fair. That was me shooting. So, while I'm thinking about it, I want to thank Hinata and Robin and Aaron for putting everything together and organizing and making this event into the warm and marvelous thing that it is. So, thank you guys. All right, so my turn, and I get to introduce an award that's very near and dear to my heart. It's Brian Melchior Endowed Research Fund Award. Brian was a master's degree student. Same time I was in the program. I was doing my PhD when Brian was doing his master's. Wonderful person. Unfortunately, he's no longer with us. And in his memory, his wife, Minnie, has established the Endowed Research Fund, where we recognize the most outstanding student in the BSMS program in the Department of Geographical Sciences. And this is a tricky thing, because to get into the BSMS program in our program, you have to be the top student in the entire undergraduate program to begin with. So we end up with a small pool of absolutely outstanding individuals, and then just get one who is going to be Brian Melchior awardee is really tough. But this year, this award goes unanimously to Kyle Pomper. So Kyle has been working with a large group of people here in the department for several years, right? And so the nominations kept coming and they all pointing to Kyle. So this specific time, where he's being recognized for his efforts in supporting the Climate Resilience Network project, where he has done phenomenal work on tackling the issue of groundwater vulnerability across the state of Maryland. And now his work, the data sets he produced, and the analysis is featured on the Climate Resilience dashboard at the University of Maryland. Thank you so much, Kyle. Fantastic work.
Ready? One more? All right.
Awesome. Thank you. All right, and I'm just going to pass it very quickly back to Sergey to take over the stage. Associate Chair, please.
All right. Before we move to other awards, we want to recognize our faculty who has been recognized outside the campus for different awards, different metrics, etc., etc. Our faculty been recognized also in terms of citations, even though citations is not always important. I would say that it's about actually impact that's been doing in terms of getting that into the policy, changing the policy, making sure that the life of the people getting better as much as we can do. So congratulations to all of those who are being recognized. Also, we want to recognize all the students who've been representing our department in different services. It's something that usually goes above and beyond in your free time, and it's always appreciated very much because it makes real impact. So thank you. We also I want to take this opportunity to thank everybody who participated as volunteer in different events, whether it's Maryland Day, whether it's high school banquet, whether it's GIS Day and orientation committee. Those are extremely important events because this is the kind of part where we say the entire world how cool we are and why you need to start to study geographical sciences. So, and that impact might not be immediate just because it's a very lagging process, but it's extremely important work to popularize what is geographical sciences, what is modern geographical sciences, and show that you can have a huge, huge impact. So again, congratulations and thank you very much for all of your efforts. The next award is actually coming from our graduate students organization. Each year they want to appreciate somebody that went above and beyond and help graduate students in their really simple, very complex, non-linear process. And for that, I want to invite Padma and Janine for the stage. Padma is not here. Yeah, actually, right? Yeah, so on the stage, and they will present their award.
Thanks, Sergey. We will present the Graduate Student Appreciation Award to someone who has consistently gone above and beyond her role, effectively managed extraordinary workload to support graduate students. Vicky Barris, this award goes to you.
Vicky's dedication ensures. So Vicky's dedication ensures that students remain informed, organized, and on track with critical administrative process. Her dedication, reliability, commitment to student success, and departmental excellence makes her exceptionally deserving of this recognition. We as students are really grateful for everything. Congratulations, Vicky.
Ready? Yeah. One more. All right.
Thank you, Vicky. Well deserved. All right, the next several awards will be dedicated to undergraduate students. Not only they involved in the coursework, not only they produce, learn, and then participate in different activities, but also they do things like undergraduate teaching assistantship, doing a graduate research work, they publish papers, and that's all, of course, we want to recognize. So the first award is Outstanding Undergraduate Teaching Assistant Award, and this year it goes to Teddy Jorgensen. So Teddy's nominator said the following. Teddy was a highly knowledgeable, where do you go, stand? those students. Teddy was a highly knowledgeable and dedicated teaching assistant for Geog 373, which happened in winter 2026. He brought a strong passion for GIS and effectively conveyed the enthusiasm to students, which is not always easy, of course, particularly through online sessions he led, which fostered engagement and active learning. Throughout this intense winter course, Teddy demonstrated exceptional professionalism and reliability. He communicated clearly and efficiently with both instructor and students, and his thoughtful and detailed feedback on assignment helped students better understand their mistakes that they were doing and meaningfully improve their skills. Congratulations, Teddy. Thank you. The next one is now it's graduate students. We started with TA, Outstanding Graduate Teaching Assistant Award. So this is for PhD students. And this year it goes to Amin Alamin. He's not here, but I would like to quickly read about his nomination. Alamin has gone above and beyond expectations for the classes he taught, he TA'd. He has single-handedly supported the questions and grading of all students in large enrollment classes. He has helped to design and implement digital atlas of natural disasters, a novel global database of natural disasters created by students during the Geog 473 and populated with the data from students in Geog 140 over the past 2 years. He's been a trusted colleague in maximizing learning objectives of the class. So congratulations, Amin. So I'll accept on his behalf and then I'll pass him. The next award, so about publication. So before publishing in academic journals, students must learn their skills as a writer while they are undergrad students. It is truly enjoyable to read all of those submissions. And in 2026, the Robert Harper Writing Award goes to Teoka Sultan Ricelap. Sorry. The core papers focus on addressing water and wastewater infrastructure inequalities. Good job.
Thank you.
Which is extremely important topic. Thank you.
One more. All right. Well done.
Thank you so much.
I don't know, every time that undergrads can do the paper, which of course it's not an easy feat, it's a big deal. The next award, it's about Undergraduate Independent Research Award. It's determined by originality and quality of research carried out by the students' knowledge of the subject matter, and overall quality of scholar product. And this year, this award goes to Teddy Jorgensen. So Teddy's work, Teddy's research was on examining the extent and ways in which many cities in the US are trying to deal with the problematic legacies of deindustrialization. Thank you.
One more. All right.
Thank you. Well done. So the next award, it's called James Henderson Award, and it honors our best undergraduate students. So this year the award goes to Zachary Miller. Here you go, Zachary. So there are a lot of achievements by Zachary, so stay with me. So Zachary serves as an academic tutor at the Gossett Student Athlete Center, supporting student athletes in geography, economics and government and politics. He has also worked as a TA in government and politics and currently serves as TA for advanced empirical research. In addition, he has contributed to student successes and rotation peer advisor at Feller Center. He also has research on assisting the project examining China-Turkey relations, violence against Uyghurs and US citizens' laws and voter turnout. He has also supported research and writing for articles produced by the UMD Center for Civic Engagement and Democracy. Zachary has been also recognized on the Dean's List of Distinguished and Outstanding Students every semester, with exceptions of one while he was studying abroad in Italy, Buongiorno, where he was also awarded the Mather Family International Scholarship. Congratulations. My hands are shaking.
One more. All right, perfect.
All right, so now I want to invite to the podium Jack Ma. Come on, Jack. Who will present awards on outstanding MSJS students.
Thank you, sir. So we have a very large cohort in the MSJS program, and every spring we do a survey among all the instructors and also teaching assistants to find out who is the best in the cohort. And this year, our nominee is Alexander Perrigan. Alex prefer the pronouns they and them. Alex is very impressive because he's working full time when they study in the program, and Alex is not only performs the best among the classes in terms of the classes, but also above and beyond, and helping other students in the class. Also in terms of the quality of their work and projects, including the capstone project, and that's the best quality. Also, Alex is very helpful to other students, very professional, friendly, respectful to the instructors and teacher assistants. So overall, Alex represents the best quality we look for in our MSGS students. Alex is not here. Actually, Alex is right now in New Zealand. For the capstone project, Alex works with Dr. Gore, Radius Gore, and Alex has been working on the very important projects, the Operation Pangolia. So overall, Alex is the best representative of our MSGS students. Congratulations, Alexander. Thank you.
Everyone, and I'm going to present our next award, Outstanding MS Student, and it's selected from our MS Student program. And this year, and we're proud to announce that this award goes to Theodore Hirsch. So Theodore goes by heading our program, and he graduated from our undergraduate program in our department and entered into our June program with special skills. His profile has been defined by national level competition success and perfect GPA in the program, and also a recently finished a Terraland project sponsored by National Geospatial Intelligence. Congratulations, Ted. Good job.
Ready? One more. All right.
Okay. So, the next award we have today is our O.E. Baker Award for Outstanding Academic and Service Performance as a graduate student in Geographical Sciences. I'm super excited to announce that this year's winners, we have more than one, Judith Rakakowski and Haley Mullen. Judith and Haley, please come on up. Judith exemplifies graduate student excellence across service, teaching, research, and professional engagement. She's taken on substantial leadership roles in departmental governance, contributed broadly to the university community, and supported large numbers of students as a teaching assistant. At the same time, she has built an ambitious interdisciplinary research portfolio with publications and manuscripts in prominent venues, especially in conservation, crime, and systemic mapping. Overall, Judith combines sustained service, high-impact scholarship, and broad scientific outreach in a way that fully reflects the spirit of the Baker Award. Congratulations, Judith. And the next student, maybe I know just a bit. Haley. Haley combines outstanding scholarship, strong teaching, and exceptional service to the department. Her publication record, conference presentations, and technically sophisticated research agenda reflects a high level of academic excellence. Beyond her research, she's taken on significant leadership and advocacy roles in graduate student governance, made concrete contributions to improving graduate student conditions, and fostered a stronger departmental community through mentoring and community building efforts. Taken together, these accomplishments distinguish Haley as a graduate student whose high-impact research is matched by sustained, meaningful service. Congratulations to both Judith and Haley.
All right, thank you. I'll be presenting the next 4 awards on behalf of our research director, Meredith Gore, who couldn't be here today. First of all, the Outstanding Graduate Research Assistant Award goes to Leonid Shumilo. Leonid. All right. Leonid's research assistantship resulted not only in research deliverables in peer-reviewed journals, but also policy implications within the World Bank and their programs focusing on Ukraine. His work contributes significantly to the underlying understanding of global land use, land cover change, as well as the transformations occurring in agricultural and food systems under combined socioeconomic and climate pressures. Congratulations, Leonid.
Thank you. Yeah, of course. Ready? One more. All right.
All right, next, our faculty specialists support a wide range of research and administrative functions in the department. Our department literally depends on them. This year, the winner is Jacob Orster. Jacob is absent today, but let me just read this nomination. Jacob has supported NASA Acres Workforce Development Initiative and the data portal development and implementation. He approaches new opportunities and tasks with childlike enthusiasm and energy, taking on ownership immediately and following through in a professional manner. He is not afraid to conduct outreach and bring new organizations into the fold. So congratulations, Jacob. All right, next we have the Outstanding Postdoc Award. The winner of this award is Abdul Kadir. Abdullah is also absent. But let me read this testimonial. Dr. Kadir has made an outstanding contribution to agricultural disaster monitoring through the development of rapid sampling-based remote sensing framework for estimating rice crop inundation during monsoon floods in Pakistan within days of the event. At a time when field data and crop condition statistics weren't available, his analyses provided the timely crop-specific exposure assessment that informed food security outlooks for the World Food Program. By delivering scientifically strong results under severe time and data constraints, Dr. Kadir demonstrated how operational remote sensing can directly strengthen disaster response and agricultural resilience in flood-prone regions. So congratulations, Dr. Kadir. All right, next, I'm happy to be presenting the Outstanding Research Faculty Award. Our research faculty are at the core of our department and our research enterprise. We have an outstanding group of faculty I'm personally very honored to work with. And this year I have a special enthusiasm to recognize Dr. Lei Ma. Dr. Ma's research has led the development of one of the advanced models of forest dynamics to global scales, provided novel linkages to remote sensing, and helped produce operational forest carbon products from the scale of the state of Maryland to the international community as part of the global carbon budget. Congratulations. Yeah.
Thank you, George. We're getting there. So the next award is Outstanding Instructional Faculty Award. So to recognize our lecturers who are a vital part of our program, and it's a great pleasure to announce that this year award goes to Dr. Naijun Zhou. Well, before reading the nomination, I can just say 3 words, that students love him. That's the best description that we can get. But a nominator wrote that Dr. Zhou has a profound impact on our students through his Master of GIS and his thoughtfully integrated curriculum. He goes above and beyond expectations for this position and is an outstanding lecturer in our department. His courses are important, popular, and guide students with expert teaching and learning on important topics in GIS. On this metric alone, Dr. Zhou's excellence in teaching exceeds expectations. And no organization will survive without staff. That is the foundation of everything. Like a house without foundation will just break down. And it's my pleasure to announce the winner of this year's Staff Appreciation Award, and this is Kristen Halliday. Where's Kristen? Here we go. For over a decade, Kristen has been an essential and deeply valued part of our MS program, serving as assistant director with exceptional dedication, professionalism, and care. She has consistently championed the growth and success of the program through innovative outreach efforts, active involvement with the BSOS Professional Master Group and the Graduate School, and expert guidance for both students and faculty. Whether navigating through complex administrative and policy changes or supporting colleagues behind the scenes, Christine approaches every situation with composure, positivity, and a steadfast commitment to excellence, making lasting impact on our program and everyone involved. I'd like to invite again to the podium Dr. Tatiana Loboda.
We're just going to invite each other all the time.
This is our job description.
Great. So, and now I'm going to introduce two brand new awards, never seen before, but really, really important. So because I made them up, I have to read the description, right? I don't remember what they were. I'm lying here because they're very important and you'll understand why. So the first award I would like to introduce is the Geog Ambassador Award. This award is designed specifically to recognize individuals outside of our department who are related to our department, but are not currently employed in our department, for advancing and promoting our department while not being part of the aforementioned department and the broader field of geographical sciences. So this is for people who are continuing to love our department even when they departed, and they keep promoting and making us look really good at the national and international stage. And the first inaugural awardee is Joe Trissino. Joe no longer even lives in College Park, but he made a special trip to come here and received his award in person, and I'm very, very grateful. So Joe, because the audience here doesn't know you, would you take a couple minutes and introduce yourself?
Okay. Yeah, I'm not quite a total stranger here, but I'm so old. I graduated from my undergraduate degree in 1967, you know, that makes me truly ancient, but it stuck with me, and it stuck with me through my entire career, which did many things. And somehow, thanks to Dean Townsend, I wound up for 12 years being a lecturer here and running a study abroad program in the Caribbean, which is my region. Specialty. Some 5 or 6 years of that were on board a tall ship, you know, where you had to put up with me and climb up into the sails, and I had you on the ship the whole time to teach you some really basic stuff. And these days, since I live in another country, Georgia, I take advantage of the internet, and I do something called the Geography Factory, where I write articles once or twice a week. That equates to our freshman classes, but to the general public who are actually interested in our science. And son of a gun, I know it's just an outlier, but one of the articles had 107,000 followers, so there's a lot of people that like what we're doing. Just this week so far, I've noticed Dr. Stewart, who was featured in one of my articles, had about 1,400 people reading her and complimenting her on that work. So that's what I do when I'm not sleeping. And thank you all.
Thank you so much. so much. All right. No more questions. And the final award for today is also brand new. And I named it Geog Linchpin Award. Don't know if you know what linchpin is, but it's kind of the thing that keeps everything together. This is going to be awarded to a member of the department who plays critical role.
Microphone.
Plays critical role in the department, without whom the entire department will pretty much fall apart. Now, we can't really give the same award to the same person year after year, so we'll have to improvise. But I think it goes without saying, and it's quite clear, that the first inaugural Linchpin Award goes to Vicky Berry. I'm really glad she was able to come today. She kept saying, well, maybe I won't be able to make it. All right, round of applause.
Ready? One more.
All right, and since we're doing this, I'm going to call Sergey back to the stage. The final remarks.
Well, again, I just want to give a shout out to all people involved in this organization, especially Renata, Robin, and everybody else who were helping. I hope the next time they won't be saying, stick to the script, because every time I go outside the script, it becomes a mess. Anyways, so congratulations to all recipients, well-deserved, we're doing great things, and of course all your hard work and accomplishments not getting unnoticed. And this is kind of ends our official program, but stick around, enjoy the food, talk to other people. We have several undergrad students. You can make connections, networks, never stop doing that. And enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.